Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to buy from the Nike mobile application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you of course haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have the search bar, we have your profile and everything about that, the back, and the three dots. When you click on, you have again your profile, we have the new featured, things for men, women, your bag, favorites, and so on and so on. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy from the Nike mobile application. Firstly, of course, you need to go and find something that you would like to buy. You can click on the shop button here, shop button down here, or of course go to the search bar, for instance click on Air Force or something like that, and of course when you find what you actually want, click on it and just go click add to bag. When you click add to bag, you'll have it in the top right corner in your bag, and then you can just go to checkout. So you can see you have $50 go to qualify for free shipping. So free shipping is if you buy something for $50. Click on the go to checkout button and you will be of course sent to the checkout, where you can then of course go and actually pay and buy the item. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.